Okay. Hey guys, it's Elby, and I'm pretty sure this footage speaks for itself. Holy crap. The storm, the last video I uploaded was the same storm, and it just got so much freaking worse. Holy crap. Jeez. Oh, God. Dear mercy. Oh, gosh. I'm not going out there this time, guys. I'm not doing it. There's the newspaper getting soaked without lightning flash. Oh, crap. I'm not risking it. I'm not going out there, even with an umbrella. There's lightning going down like crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm expecting flooding. This is really bad. Holy crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. And it's gonna suck when I move back to Missouri, because it's gonna be even worse than this. Oh, crap. This is Texas for you. This is Texas for you. Oh, God. Oh, God. Jeez. Oh, crap. Welcome to Texas. It's fine. This is what happens all the time in Texas. Jeez. Well, I'm glad I don't have to get on the school bus to go to school, because school's finally over. Oh, crap. Oh, jeez. Oh, crap. You hear that thunder? Yeah, I hear that clap. Oh, God. Let's try to get some footage of the load, somehow. Okay. Oh, jeez. Like I said, I'm not listing up in a metal umbrella in this weather. What the frick? Oh, jeez, you can probably hear this. And I'm actually having to yell right now just to have the chance of my voice to be heard in this weather. Holy flickin' crap. Oh, crap. You know what? My friend Whoopi's actually, I was talking to him on Skype, and I'm taking the chance to record this, and I hope I don't freaking die out here. Oh, God. Oh, crap. You know what? Screw this, I'm going inside. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Holy crap.